ACM is Association for Computing Machinery, is a largest professional organization devoted to computing, both the academic research aspect of computing, that is computing as a science, as well as computing as a profession done by industry. And ACM worldwide has about 1 lakh members, roughly divided between students and professionals from academia as well as from industry. India's importance in the world, in computing world industry, ACM has started a special drive to increase the presence, ACM's presence in India. And this was done 2 years ago by forming an ACM India Council. This council has about 15 members chosen from the top academic as well as top industry organizations. And this ACM India is spearheading the activities to increase ACM's presence in India through ACM's conferences, through journals and digital library access, through chapters and membership at universities and companies. One of the ACM chapters, professional chapters, is in Hyderabad, and we have been very active. And the ACM Hyderabad chapter took up this task of organizing this ACM India annual event. It's the second time. The ACM India was formally launched a year ago at Bangalore with a mega event. This year we are having a equally big or a bigger event, but this time it's in Hyderabad. The event has speakers, the very well-known speakers such as the Nobel Prize winners in computer science and equivalent kind of people. They are coming. It's a great opportunity for Hyderabad local and other people to listen to them, to interact with them, and with such wise people and people who have shaped the computing industry are going to be there. And we also have arranged for a interesting retrospective, looking back on the history of Indian computing, both in the academia as well as the industry side, and a panel discussion featuring top people on how the future should shape up. The future of computing in India should shape. So these are all happening on January 28th at ISB. We expect about 500 people to attend that, and it's attended by top officials of ACM from worldwide, all the India Council members from around the country, as well as these top class speakers.